SlideModel.com makes it quick and easy to create professional PowerPoint presentations without the need for design skills. Whether you need animations, 3D models, or impactful presentations that engage and persuade your audience, we have thousands of 100% editable designs that you can choose from, covering most business and professional use cases. From corporate profiles to pitch decks to business strategy and everything in between, you'll find what you need. Just search for the design you need using the search bar. Type the keywords and the results will show up ready to browse through. Once you find the perfect template, download it to your device, open it up in PowerPoint, and then use our easy editing options to make it your own. You can customize any of the shapes and placeholders, adapting them to match your theme or topic. It's easy to change their size, colors, and position without losing any visual quality. Let's first take a look at the slide decks. We have slide decks fit for most industries with different layouts, diagrams, and shapes that are professionally designed. They're quick and easy to edit, so you can create your slide deck in a fraction of the time it would normally take you. You can also apply impressive shapes to your presentation in just a few seconds. For example, this gauge meter is a great option to show the status of a KPI. Since all the graphic objects, like this gauge meter, are created as PowerPoint shapes, it's simple to rotate the arrow to whatever value you want. Now let's see how simple it is to edit some of our 3D diagrams. You can quickly replace the sample text with your own and then change the size and color. Let's look at a 3D cube shape that you can use. This is an awesome graphic for PowerPoint presentations on data mining or modeling data warehouses. All you have to do is customize the cubes to create your own design, but again, it's super easy to do. Ungroup the main shape to access the composite elements, drag and drop the shapes, update the text, the cube alignments, and the colors, and you'll end up with something that suits your specific needs. Our business templates are really easy to edit as well, like this 6-step process diagram. Each slide can be used to describe a different step in a process. From updating the theme colors to editing diagrams, you can create presentations that reflect your brand in just a few clicks. Our diagrams are created as vectors, making them fully editable, as well as compatible with any Microsoft Office tool or Google Slides. You can copy and paste a diagram from PowerPoint to Word without losing its quality or properties. We also have an extensive library of PowerPoint maps. Each map is created as a group of state shapes that can be individually customized, so you can not only work with the entire country, but use the shapes for a more granular look. You can add PowerPoint icons to highlight cities or regions, trace routes, or even place numeric elements for infographic reports. If you need help at any point, our customer support team is there for you. Don't spend hours designing PowerPoint presentations when you could be doing something more impactful. Turn to SlideModel for ready-made templates that are easily editable. Choose the plan that best fits your needs on SlideModel.com.